Okay. So we are taking the revision. Correct, na? So let's see in the revision. Again, we will see what is input tax credit. That is ITC. In short, we are calling as a ITC. Many students have given the answer, but let's see. GST is levied and collected at every stage of trading. Every stage of trading from manufacturer to the consumer. When traders pay GST at the time of purchase, when the traders pay the GST, they pay the GST at the time of purchase. It is called as a input tax. When they are paying the tax, when the traders are paying a tax at the time of purchase, then it is called as a input tax. And he collect GST at the time of sale. So when he sell the goods, at that time he collect the GST. Okay. When traders pay GST at the time of purchase, it is called as a input tax, and the collects GST at the time of sale, which is called as a output tax. So here we are going to see input tax and output tax. Input tax for trader, correct na? Input tax for trader. Output tax yes, input and output tax. Correct na? First the trader pay the tax. That is called as a input tax. And then he take it from the consumer. Correct? When he sell the goods. That is called as a output tax. At the time of paying GST to the government, at the time of paying GST to the government, a trader deduct the input tax from the output tax and pay the remaining tax. Okay. At the time of paying GST, because whatever goods he have purchased, so of that he had paid the tax. Okay. At the time of paying GST to the government, a trader deduct the input tax from the output tax and pay the remaining tax. This deduction of input tax is called as a input tax credit. So GST payable is equal to, who will tell? GST payable is equal to, GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC, input tax. Okay, output tax minus input tax, that is the GST. Is it clear? So this formula we are going to use. So you are ready to solve the exercise with your pen and pencil, notebook. Okay. So let's start. Okay. GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC. This formula we are going to use. So we are going to practice 4.2 exercise. Okay. Let's see the first question. We are going to see the first question, that is, Chetna store paid total GST of rupees 1,500,000. Correct? 1,500,000 at the time of purchase. So what GST Chetna store have paid? 1,500,000 rupees at the time of purchase, and collected GST 1,22,500 at the time of sale during 1st of July 2017 to 31st July 2017. Find the GST payable by the Chetna store. Okay, this is the question. So first of all, you should know what is the input tax and what is the output tax. Can you tell me what is the input tax and what is the output tax here? This is the formula, output tax minus input tax. Okay. Yes, yes. What I asked that you reply ना. जो मैंने पूछा उसी का जवाब दिया करो ना. Then only I will know that you are hearing my lecture properly. Otherwise, without asking the question and you are writing anything, means you are just copying here from here and there and you are typing. Nothing else. जो पूछ रहा हूँ उसका जवाब दो, तब मालूम पड़ेगा कि you are listening properly, you are giving the concentration, correct, and you are writing with your own decision, not by copying from here and there. We also knowing who knows who is typing from where. Okay. So I'm asking that first of all you have to decide what is the input tax and what is the output tax. Correct. So what is the output tax here? Yes, correct. Now what is the input tax? Yes, correct. So we know that GST payable is equal to tax collected at the time of sale minus tax collected at the time of purchase. Sale and purchase, correct? Tax collected at the time of sale minus tax collected at the time of purchase. Okay, means GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. We know what is output tax. We know what is the input tax. Now subtract it. What you will get? Yes, it is 22,000. Let's see how to write it. Okay, let's see. First of all, we will write what is given, that is tax collected at a time of sale, that is output tax. You can write directly as output tax, no problem is there. That is 1,22,500, and then input tax, that is tax collected at a time of purchase, that is 1,05,000 rupees. Then formula, after this formula, GST payable is equal to tax collected at time of sale minus tax collected at time of purchase. Then we will write the formula, GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. That is very important. Right? This formula you have to write compulsory. Okay. This you have to write compulsory. GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Okay. Now substitute the value. As you know that 1,22,500 minus 1,05,000 will give what it will give. Yes, it will give 22,000. So at the end we have to write. What we have to write? Thus the GST payable by the Chetna store is rupees 22,000. Is it clear? Yes, any doubt, any difficulty, any confusion? If it is there, you can ask. Neha, confirm, no doubt is there? Other students who are present but not interacting, for them also, at least, right? Yes, no doubts. This type of words you can write it now, 1 word, 2 word, thumbs up you can show, and yes, symbol is there in your mobile. Yes, symbol is there, no symbol is there. Yes, symbol is put in a green color, no symbol is put in a red color. That is there in your option, correct? So if you understood, yes, you can give the tick mark also that you understood. So for communication, no hurdle is there. You can communicate with any words. Correct? Okay. Now, shall we move to the second question now? This question, if you are understood, so we are going to move to the second question. Okay. Okay. Let's see then. Nazma is a proprietor. Nazma is a proprietor of a firm registered under GST. She has paid GST of rupees 12,500 on purchase and collected rupees on purchase and collected rupees 14,750 on sale. What is the amount of ITC to be claimed? What is the amount of GST payable? So what we should know here? What is given means what is given here? Yes, correct. Input tax is given, output tax is given, correct? And what we have to find now? Okay, GST payable. And yes, okay, okay. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So you have many of students have written proper answer. So in this way, you have to write whatever the question is asked that you have to write. Nothing else. Okay. You have a pen and pencil. If I will set subtract this, then you have to write it and subtract it. Then you have to write the answer. Correct, na? Okay. Let's see. So as we know that the tax collected at the time of purchase is called as the tax collected at the time of purchase. It is called as, yes, it is called as input tax, ITC. The tax collected at the time of purchase is called input tax. So what is input tax now? Value of input tax. The question. Yes, very good. 12,500. Correct? So amount of ITC to be claimed by Nazma. Because the question given, what is the amount of ITC to be claimed? Question is given, na? In the question it is mentioned. You can see it properly. Here it is said, what is the amount of ITC to be claimed by the Nazma? Correct? So what is the ITC to be claimed by Nazma? Yes. Yes. Neha, Dhammesh. Correct. Drishti, Khushi, Tejal. Oh, Tejal, one new name came here. Tejal. Correct, Tejal? Yes, good, Tejal. You have tried it. I'm happy, beta. Okay. Neither what I asked, beta, that you give the answer. Okay. Now, so amount of ITC to be claimed by Nazma is 12,500. Okay. Tax collected at time of sale. What it is called as sale? At the time, tax collected at time of sale. It is called as, correct, very good, output tax. So we know input tax, we know output tax. GST payable is equal to formula. GST payable is equal to formula. GST payable is equal to Bhumi, correct. GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Now substitute the value and subtract it. Substitute the value and subtract it. Okay. समीर एक ही बार आंसर देना है बेटा. Okay. 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 और fast. Other students also try. Some question is on your screen. Input tax is on your screen. Output tax is on your screen. So just you have to subtract formula. GST is equal to output tax minus input tax. I'm saying, so you have to subtract, you have to substitute the value and you have to subtract. Okay, very good. Many students have given the answer. Let's see in a proper way. Okay, so tax collected at time of purchase we called as a input tax, and that is 12,500 rupees. Amount of ITC to be claimed by Nazma is rupees 12,500. Same it is. Tax collected at time of sale, that is called as a output tax. That is 14,750. Correct? It is given in the question. Okay. GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. So you know that what is output tax, what is the input tax. So subtract it. 14,750 minus rupees 12,500. So you will get rupees 2,250. So at the end, what we will write? At the end, we will write, yes, the amount of GST payable by Nazma is 2,250. Correct? So in doubt is there here? Small doubt, confusion, misunderstanding. Nothing is there, na? Yes, very good. Good. So I think now you are understanding better. Many students are replying. Okay, good. Very good. As many students will reply, I will also become happy ना, क्योंकि मेरे बच्चों को समझ में आएगा तभी तो मुझे खुशी मिलेगी. Correct ना? Okay. Now we will move to the question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Let's see what is the question 3. In question 3, Amit Enterprises purchased chocolate sauce bottle. Oh, your favorite chocolate? Whose favorite is chocolate? Tell me just. Who likes it? Okay. Okay. Right. Who don't like the chocolate? Because almost everyone will like the chocolate. Na? So, oh, Drishti don't like chocolate. Okay. Okay. Neeraj is also not like chocolate. Okay, no problem. It is not compulsory to eat the chocolate. Correct, na? Okay. Ronit also not like chocolate. But Ronit, I have found that in the class you are what? छीना झपटी करते हुए मैंने आपको देखा है चॉकलेट के लिए. Ronit, I have saw you in the class. सही बात है कि नहीं रोनित, मैंने देखा है आपको बेटा. आपने बैग में चॉकलेट लाया था, याद है क्या? 9th में. Yes, na? Good. You have accepted. Very good. Let's come to the point. So, Amit Enterprises purchased chocolate sauce bottle and paid GST of rupees 3,800. 3,800 paid the GST. He sold those bottles to Akbari Brothers and collected GST of rupees 4,100. Mayank Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Brothers and paid GST of rupees 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage of trading. Every stage of trading, and hence find payable CGST and SGST. Now you cannot say what is CGST and SGST. करेक्ट ना? CGST SGST आपको मालूम है ना? सबको मालूम है, करेक्ट ना? Yes. Now here Amir Enterprises sold to the Akbari brothers. Akbari brothers sold to Mayan Food Corner. Correct? Yes or no? Okay. So let's see. Tax collected by Amir Enterprises. One by one we will come. First we will see Amir Enterprises, then we will see Akbari brothers, and then we will see Mayan Food Corners. Okay. So first up we will say input tax. Now here, if you remember that here, output tax यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. I will remind you when the question will come, so don't worry. Let's see. Tax collected by Amir Enterprises at the time of purchase, here input tax, because first of all Amir Enterprises purchased the chocolate sauce, correct na? So a purchase is there, though then it is input tax, correct? Yes or no? If purchasing is there, it is input tax. So Amir Enterprises purchased the chocolate, that is input tax, by 3,800. Now he has to sold it, sell it, that is his output tax. Then Amir Enterprises sell this chocolate sauce, then it is output tax. So let's write it. Tax collected by Amir Enterprises at the time of sale, that is output tax, 4,100 rupees. 4,100 rupees. Now we get input tax, we get output tax. Now we will find the GST payable by the Amir Enterprises. Okay? Yes or no? So GST, write down the formula. GST payable by Amir Enterprises is equal to yes, neither have written first. Heezal have written the first. Okay, Dhammesh, Bhumi, Neha. Okay, getting the answer now. Okay, so GST payable by Amir Enterprises is equal to output tax minus input tax. Now substitute the value and subtract it. 4,100 minus 3,800. Yes, correct. 38, 39, 40, 41. Correct na? So that is 300 rupees. What is 300 rupees? Yes or no? Yes, 300 rupees. Now we know the GST, that is 300 rupees. Now we have to find out CGST and SGST by Amir Enterprises. So what is the formula for CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST, correct? So what is half of GST? Yes, 150, correct. Let's see. CGST is equal to SGST payable by the Amir Enterprises, which is equal to half of GST. We know GST is 300 rupees, 300 divided by 2, which is equal to 150. Many students have given the answer. Okay, everyone's answer is correct. I'm saying that everyone is giving or writing the correct answer in the chat box. Okay, now tax collected by Akbari brothers at the time of purchase was 4,100. Tax collected by Akbari brothers at the time of sale, that is 4,500. So GST payable by Akbari brothers. Okay. First of all, we have seen Amir Enterprises. Correct na? पहले हमने देखा अमीर एंटरप्राइजेस का इनपुट एंड आउटपुट. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द अकबारी ब्रदर्स. So what is his input and what is his output? Okay, for Akbari brothers. For Akbari brothers, what is input? Yes, correct. For Akbari brothers, at the time of purchase, that is input. Correct, na? And output tax. Yes, correct. Okay, let's see now. So you understood now? Okay. Let's see for Akbari brothers. Okay. So we will write like this way. Tax collected by Akbari brothers at the time of purchase. At the time of purchase means what? अकबारी ब्रदर्स ने जब परचेस किया तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? इनपुट टैक्स. करेक्ट. इधर धर्मेश हैव डन. भूमि also written. Okay. Yes. Today boys are more active than the girls. Okay. Yes, girls, give the reply. Tax collected by Akbari brothers at the time of purchase. What it is called as a input tax. Okay. Now, input tax is what now? 4,100. Correct. Now, tax collected by Akbari brothers at the time of sale. खरीदने के बाद उसको बेच दिया अकबारी ब्रदर्स ने. So tax collected by the Akbari brothers at the time of sale, that is given, is called as a output tax. RN. Okay. Okay. Ria also giving the answer. Okay. So we will see now. Okay. Tax collected by Akbari brothers at the time of sale. That is output tax 4,500. Now we have to find out GST. Correct? So GST payable by Akbari brothers. Output tax minus input tax. Substitute the value. Okay? Substitute the value. 4,500 minus 4,100. That is rupees 400. So GST payable by the Akbari brothers is 400 rupees. Now again we have to find out CGST and SGST. So CGST is equal to SGST, which is equal to half of GST. Correct na? That is, we can say 400 divided by 2. That is 200 rupees. Is it clear? Any doubt is there? थोड़ा सा भी डाउट है तो पूछो. No doubt. Very good. Vidhi. Okay, Vidhi. Next. Shall we start question number 4 now? Okay, very simple question is there ना? एकदम simple questions है, कोई difficult question नहीं है. खाली क्वेश्चन को 2-3 बार पढ़ना है और समझना है. That is very important. That is very important. Okay. Let's see. Question number 4. Okay. Malik Gas Agency, which is present in Chandigarh, and Chandigarh is a union territory, purchased some gas cylinder for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to the local customer for rupees 26,500. I'm thinking that I should on anyone's mic and they will read the question and they will tell what is the input tax, output tax and what is the answer. So you are agree? मैं किसी एक बच्चे का माइक अनम्यूट कर देता हूं और वो जो है क्वेश्चन को रीड करेगा और उसमें से बताएगा इस क्वेश्चन में व्हाट इज द इनपुट टैक्स, व्हाट इज द आउटपुट टैक्स. ओके धर्मेश, आर यू रेडी? ओके धर्मेश इज रेडी. ओके धर्मेश, मैं आपका माइक अनम्यूट करता हूं, आप मुझे इस क्वेश्चन को रीड करो और मुझे बताओ. क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा अलग सा हटके है, इसलिए मैं आपको चांस दे रहा हूं. डोंट वरी, आपको नहीं आएगा तो कोई टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं है. आई एम देयर टू एक्सप्लेन यू.
Malik Gas Agency, Chandigarh Union Territory purchased some gas cylinder for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to the local customer for 26,500. Find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5% and hence the CGST and UTGST to be paid for this transaction. For Union Territory, there is UTGST instead of SGST.
Correct. Dhamesh, very good. Now can you tell me here, what is the input tax? Input tax, you know that tax paid at the time of purchase. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
But he said that the GST is paid by rate of 5%. I'm audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ. तो आप बताओ बेटा कैसे रहेगा ये?
सर 5% निकालेंगे हम पहले 24,500 का इनपुट टैक्स का.
ओके 5% ऑफ 24,500. करेक्ट. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. एंड देन आउटपुट टैक्स कैसे निकालेंगे?
सर उसको भी वैसे ही करेंगे, 5% निकालेंगे 26,500 का.
ओके वेरी गुड. 5% ऑफ 26,500. अभी दोनों का अमाउंट आ गया तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? निकालेंगे. करेक्ट.
यस सर.
व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर जीएसटी?
आउटपुट टैक्स माइनस इनपुट टैक्स.
वेरी गुड. सपोज any amount, X amount we got for GST, correct?
Yes, sir.
What amount got? X. Suppose X amount got. Now we want to find CGST, correct?
Yes, sir.
CGST is equal to UTGST, correct na?
Yes, sir.
The UTGST. Because GST we got X.
Yes.
So what will be the UTGST?
CGST is equals to UTGST. We will GST will be the half of CGST and UTGST.
Ha, but our GST is X na?
Yes.
So what will be UTGST? Yes, Neeraj, correct. Neeraj, barabar hai. Your answer is right. Okay, Dharmesh, no problem, beta. Tejal's answer is also correct. Tejal. Okay, Dharmesh, if the GST is X, then UTGST is X upon 2.
Yes, sir.
Correct, na?
Haan.
We have divided by 2. Whatever the GST is there, we have divided by 2. Our GST is X. Suppose I have taken. Suppose I have taken our GST is X. So X divided by 2.
2.
X upon 2.
2.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, very good. Now come to our solution. Come to our solution. Wait and wait. Okay. Because let's see the answer now. Input tax paid by the time of purchase, that is 5% of 24,500 because he had said that find the GST to be paid at a rate of 5%. Correct, na? So 5% of 24,500. Okay. Now output tax. So we will calculate first. 5% of 24,500. 5% means 5 upon 100 into 24,500. 0 will be cancelled. So what will remain? 5 into 245. 5 into 245. Correct? That is 1,225. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer. Very good. I'm happy that maximum student, 20 to 25 students are replying at a time. Very good. Okay. More than that, I think. Okay. Now, so we got the input tax. Now we will find out the output tax. That is 5% of 26,500. Correct? 5% of 26,500 means 5 upon 100 into 26,500. 20 will be cancelled. Yes or no? 20 will be cancelled. So what will remain? 5 into 265. 5 into 265. Correct, Dhamesh? That is 1,325. Correct? Now we know what is input tax and what is output tax. So we will subtract it. Okay? So GST is equal to output tax minus input tax. So 1,325 minus 1,225, which is equal to 100 rupees. Now we have to find out U2 GST. UT GST. And we know that UT GST is equal to CGST or SGST. Correct or not? So, which is equal to 100 divided by 2. That is 50 rupees. Correct? Any doubt? इसमें कुछ डाउट है? कैलकुलेशन कैसा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसा है, ऐसा कुछ डाउट है? नो ना? ओके, गुड. So shall we move to the next question now? Okay, very good. So let's see the next question now. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay. Means beauty products paid 18% GST on the cosmetic worth of rupees 6,000. Now who want to give the answer this question? जो मैं पूछूंगा वही जवाब देना, ज्यादा कोई जवाब देना नहीं है आपको. Okay. So who is ready to give the answer? You can raise your hands also. Riya Tiwari. Okay. Riya. Wait, Riya. First, I have to unmute you. Then you can give the answer. Riya.
Sir, am I audible? Hello. Am I audible, sir? Sir, your voice is coming low. Hello.
Okay, no problem. Okay, let's see. Anyone else want to give the answer?
Hello, sir. Now my voice is audible. Sir, I have to read question first or direct I should say the solution. Hello.
Give the question first.
Okay, sir. Miss Beauty Products paid 18% of GST on cosmetic worth rupees 6,000 and sold to a customer for rupees 10,000. What are the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice issued?
Very good. Now tell me what is the input here, input tax here.
So here is the output tax. So for output tax, we have to take GST, that is 18% of 10,000 for getting the output tax.
Very good. Output tax is 18% of 10,000. Now
10,000.
input tax.
For input tax is 6,000.
Only 6,000?
No, 18% of 6,000.
That is the answer, na beta? 18% of 6,000. Yes, all of you understood? Bhumi. सुनाई दे रहा है Bhumi? Okay. So input tax is 18% of 6,000. First of all, we have to find out here. Okay. Input tax is what? 18% of 6,000 rupees. Means 18 upon 100 into 6,000. So 0 will cancel. 18 into 60. 18 into 60. You can multiply 18 into 60. And then output tax, 18% of 10,000. 18% means 18 upon 100 into 10,000. Correct? 20 will be cancelled. 18 into 100. 18 into 100. Correct? Let's see. Okay. Thank you, Rhea. You have given the answer.
So can I unmute myself?
On calculation part, input tax is equal to 18% of 6,000. That is 18 upon 100 into 6,000. 20 will be cancelled. Then 18 into 60. So 18 into 60 is what? 1,080. Output tax, 18% of 10,000. That is 18 upon 100 into 10,000. So 20 again will cancel. And 18 into 100. That is 1800. Correct? So we know what is output tax. We know what is input tax. So GST is equal to, first of all, we write what is the ITC for beauty product. Okay, that is input tax. That is 1,080. Correct? And then we will subtract. GST is equal to output tax minus ITC. Okay. GST is what? Output tax minus ITC. So 1800 minus 1080. That is 7,000. Sorry, 720. 720. Can you see my slide? Okay. So we have subtracted, then we get 720. Now we have to find CGST and SGST. Who will tell CGST and SGST? Right? Write in the chat box. Yes, yes. Next. Yes. Drishti's answer is wrong. Drishti, आपका आंसर रॉन्ग है बेटा. Try it. Sorry की बात नहीं बेटा. फिर से try करो ना. फिर से try करो. You know that CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. GST is shown on the slide, divided by 2. 720 को 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. 720 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है. 720 divided by 2. Drishti, again your answer is wrong. Yes, now Drishti, your answer is correct. Okay, so 720 को 2 से डिवाइड कर देना है. Is it clear now? Okay, so in this way we have completed 4.2 exercise. Is it clear? किसी को कुछ डाउट है इसमें? So CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. We know GST is okay. Is it chapter? Right. Correct ना? 5.1 4.1 4.2 कितने लोगों को समझ में आया? Just put understood or just show thumbs up or just yes, I'm counting huh? Now I know the names also, whether they are A standard or whether they are A division or B division.